In this video, we're taking a closer look at how audit logs work. Let's open the Profile menu, where we'll find Audit Log. The audit log features a team log and a user log. The user log shows us the login logs for the user that we're logged on with. The user log shows us the IP address we came from, the country, what browser we used, and when the log was created. If we move into the team log, we find logs related to everything that goes on in our team. The logs created here include all users in the team. This entry shows us that the screen called Store 1 North Entrance downloaded the latest content. This entry shows us what user published content to that screen. The logs show us what files are added or removed in the library. This entry shows us that a new playlist was created. Looking at the entries, we can easily create a timeline. This user added a playlist, uploaded a couple of files to the library, and then published content to several screens. We also see the user's IP address, country, what browser the user used, and when it all happened. Audit Log was added in April 2020, so any data before April 2020 was not collected. Thanks for watching.